spinning, sliding in our own, with our own little group, you hear me? Our folk.
Pablo, you crazy for this one.
Hey y'all, T here. Today I'm getting prepared for the SRTBree meet in Atlanta. Today I took my car to JJ's Graphics right there to get something done to my car. Hopefully you all like it. I know what it looks like. I'm looking at it right now, so hopefully y'all like it. But here you go. Y'all, look what it did to my car. I have two separate Lady Deadpool images on the side of my car. The whole idea, as you can see, is like she's coming out of the car. JJ took my concept and brought it to life. So that's one. Don't forget that. But here's the second image right here, which apparently is me to a T. What's up, YouTube? T here. The gang's all here. You got Pikachu, Camaro, Dion. You got my cousin Malik. You got me. We all headed to Atlanta to SRTBree meet in Atlanta. I thought I said that, but if I didn't say it, I'm saying it now. But here we go on this journey to Atlanta. Y'all, look what Dion got me. Like this right here. Driving behind slow drives because we pushing 100 plus. We done had to slow down and do 76, 83. When we pushing, like I said, we pushing 115, 120, 130. But like I said, I'll check in back with y'all when we get to Birmingham. Come on now, take your ass on. Hey y'all, we done made it to Birmingham. This everybody. We done made it to Birmingham safely. Everybody was rolling. I mean, everybody rolling. Even Malik in the camera. Back again. We finally made it to the Airbnb. Our house is beautiful. I don't know if you can tell just by this, but our house is beautiful. Upstairs got a king size bed. One bedroom got 2 twin beds and another one got a queen, I think. But y'all, money well spent. This house is wonderful. And we trying to figure out what we're gonna do next. What's our next move up until we go out to eat later on tonight. And I'll update y'all when we decide about that. Hey y'all, right now we're at Papa Doe. Finna see what the hype is about here in North Cross, Georgia. I'm gonna insert a picture right here of my full outfit or what I had on tonight. I done came about the shoes, I done came about the hat. Me and heels don't really work together, but I just want to be cute, you know, for a little moment, a little second, a little smidget. But I'm gonna come back to y'all and I'm gonna see what this Papa Doe hitting on, y'all. We finally got seated after about a 45-minute wait. Family over there too as well.
Well, what we gonna go with?
Hey guys, day 2. This is actually the day of the meet.
Man, we gonna be if you decide.
This is actually the day of SRTBree meet. We got one more night in the Airbnb. We decided that we gonna stay in tonight and eat. We gonna cook. So we're currently at the Publix. We trying to figure out what we're gonna eat. We said steak. What we eating? Steak, baked potatoes,
salad.
If we doing baked potatoes,
Okay. So with that, we're trying to figure out what it is. So it's another journey right here because don't nobody know what they want. So
I'll help. I'm doing the
yeah, we got a certified chef here. So of course he gonna cook something. But you know how it is, man. Folks don't never want to do nothing. They don't quite get the concept of we're being bougie. This is a bougie trip. Everybody just bougie, you know. Yeah. Bougie. He ain't do it but bougie. My cousin just put y'all up on game. What's
that
her?
ain't bougie, it's broke.
Period. And this ain't that. Y'all, we not even at the location yet, but everybody already getting ready. Everybody already, you know, in them things. He got a can. That's different. I ain't never seen that. Y'all, this caught me so unprofessional, fool, and unorganized, but these folks that showed up and showed out. They got this very small parking spot. Like the turnout one gonna be big. That traffic bagged up. Can't nobody move. It's bumper to bumper, but unorganized. We here though, but they could have did much better with this.